Now let us see the converse of basic proportionality theorem. Now the straight theorem says if the line is intersecting two, if one line is parallel to one side of the triangle and if it is intersecting the other two sides at two distinct points, then they are divided into the same ratio. Okay. Now what is its converse says? If a line divides any two sides of the triangle in the same ratio. In the basic proportionality theorem, the line was parallel and we had proved that they were in the same ratio. In this case, you have to prove that they are already in the same ratio and how that line is parallel to the third side. Okay. So let us draw the triangle first and name it as A, B and C. Now they are saying that a line is dividing the two sides of the triangle in the same ratio. Okay. So let us say the line is DE. So by the condition given in the theorem, I can write the given information is AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Now this is given in the question theorem. Okay, fine. After that, then you have to prove that line is parallel to third side. So what is your to prove? Your to be proved would be DE is parallel to BC. So whenever you are writing converse of any theorem, whatever was given in the previous theorem, that will become your show that, and whatever was to be proved, that will become your given. See, this was the to be proved in our basic proportionality theorem, and this was our given thing. Okay, now this will become your to be proved. Now let us see here, we will be proving it by the help of contradiction. Okay, let us assume that D is not the line, but I am drawing another line DE dash. Okay, so assume that DE is not parallel to BC. Okay, since we have to prove D is parallel to BC, let us assume that D is not parallel to BC. If D is not parallel to BC, definitely there will be some line which is parallel to BC, isn't it? Okay, so that line is DE dash. So if DE is not parallel to BC, let DE dash be the line which is parallel to BC. Okay, so if DE dash is parallel to BC, I can write AD upon DB equal to AE dash upon E dash C. Why? Because this is what the basic proportionality theorem says. If a line is parallel to one side, then the other two sides are divided into same ratio. So AD by DB will be equal to AE dash by E dash C. But what is given? AD by DB is actually equal to AE upon EC. So let us mark this as equation 2 and this as equation 1. So from 1 and 2 you could see that their left hand sides are equal. Okay, it means the right hand sides will also be equal. So from 1 and 2, AE upon EC will be equal to AE dash upon E dash C. Okay, let us add 1 to both sides. Fine. So what will happen? AE upon EC plus 1 will be equal to AE dash upon E dash C plus 1. Now why am I doing this? So that I will take EC as the LCM and the numerator will be AE plus EC. Similarly here E dash C will be the LCM. So AE dash plus E dash C. So what it would be? AE plus EC divided by EC will be equal to A E dash plus E dash C divided by E dash C. Okay. Now what is AE plus EC? AE plus EC is nothing but AC. So it will be AC divided by EC will remain as it is. On the right side, AE dash plus E dash C. Again AE dash plus E dash C is also AC. So it will be AC upon E dash C. So now what you could see, there is an equal to sign between the two ratios. and their numerators are also equal. So when would this happen? Only if their denominators are also equal. Okay, so which means E dash is equal to E dash C. Now when will this happen? EC is equal to E dash C. When will this happen? When E and E dash are same point. Instead of considering E and E dash as two different points, this will happen only if E and E dash are coinciding or they are the same points. So what does it mean? It means if we have drawn DE dash parallel to BC and E dash and E are actually the same points, hence DE is parallel to BC. Okay, so this is how we have proved with the help of contradiction. Considering DE is not parallel to BC, so definitely there will be one line which is parallel to BC, assuming that line to be DE dash. Yes, then by basic proportionality theorem, AD by DB is equal to AE dash by E dash C. But in our given, it is said AD by DB is actually equal to AE by EC. Their LHS are equal, so their RHS would be equal. Adding 1, taking the LCM, we have got AC upon EC is equal to AC upon E dash C. Their numerators are equal and there is an equal to sign. So definitely their denominators will be equal. So EC and E dash C are equal. This happens only when E and E dash are the same point, and hence DE dash is parallel to BC, which means actually DE is parallel to BC.